Hi children, a very good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. We are in a lesson called, which lesson we are in? Yeah, we finished our poem and have given the PDF. Children, once again I am reminding that no need to complete your PDF. That is the poem lesson. No need to complete it on that day. You can take 2 to 3 days and you can complete it that. Complete the notes. And so we are in a lesson called Old Red Rabbit. The story is taken from an African American folk tales. Already we discussed, Brad is the short form of brother. Brad is the short form of brother. And folk tales means a story from a particular village or a particular place, right? So here the story is about a bread rabbit and the bread frogs. Bread rabbit and a bread frogs. This bread rabbit is very much likable, and it is very much, that means it is having a capacity of coming out of every difficulties very easily. So this is all about, that means this is the we are going to learn about the story called as Old Red Rabbit. So Uncle Remus is telling a story to a little boy. The story is about an old red rabbit and an old red fox. Both are like same children. That means they both are very much friendly, like a same belonging, like siblings. They both are. And one day, along with Bread Rabbit, Bread Frogs, Bread, all are cleaning up the ground. That means we can imagine that all these animals, they live together in a forest and they are cleaning up their ground. That means they are cleaning the forest, and everybody are cleaning the ground. And this Bread Rabbit, it felt after some time, it felt so tired. And it thought, might be I will sit there, but he's thinking of the other animals and saying that no, I should not sit like that, because if I sit like that, everybody feel that I am a lazy person. No, I should not do that. It is thinking like that and it is doing, and it is seriously plucking cleaning the field and all, and suddenly it was hurt with a thorn. Do you know, the children, what is thorn? Yeah, in Telugu we call it as mullu. So they are doing in the forest and they are picking up the grass, and so suddenly what happened? This little rabbit got hurt by a thorn, and it felt so tired, and it is running. It is searching for the place where she has to sit for a while. After a while, this Bread Rabbit, he searched for a cool place, and he saw a well, and on the well, 2 buckets are hanging. On the well, 2 buckets are hanging, and immediately after seeing that well, it jumped into the bucket. What happened? Because it is in the top. Immediately, if we jumped on that, what will happen, children? Yes, it is correct. So immediately it came force. It went down. It went the bucket immediately after jumping into that bucket. Immediately the bucket went down to the well. What happened? Yes. Children, tell me one thing. If suppose we are in that means what we call, we are in a wonderland, we are in a water ride. Suddenly you are crawling from a deep slide. How do you feel? You feel at once, oh my God, ooh, like that, no. But here what happened? It suddenly jumped into the bucket and went, and it hit. So the Bread Rabbit felt, oh my God, it is like, oh, what happened? What? Like it got fever. It felt that I got fever and something is going on here. Something might be happened to me. Like that it is thinking, and the bucket went to the bucket touched the water. All always the old frogs had an eye on the rabbit. It looks always whatever the work it is like how your mother will keep an eye on you. How what you are doing, are you listening your lessons, are you doing something, or you fighting with your siblings, like that always your mother have an eye on you, no? Like that only here Brad Fox had always an eye on the Brad Rabbit. So this Brad Rabbit, he went down on the well. What happened? Immediately this fox, it is searching for Brad Rabbit. Where is Rabbit? Where he went? Like that, it is searching, and it came to the well. There also it is searching. It didn't found, and it is thinking and thinking. What happened? What happened? Why? Where? Why it went to the well? Why it went to the well? Is there anything like that? He is thinking and thinking and thinking. After a while, the fox thought that, oh yes, now this Brad Rabbit might be he kept all his money in the well. He's thinking that like that. This fox is thinking that, oh, that's why this rabbit went to the well. It is thinking like that, isn't it? For that reason, it went. No. Oh, so this Brad Rabbit, fox thought that, okay, it went to took his money, or otherwise, no, it will not be happen. And it is thinking again and again. It is thinking, what will happen? Why this Brad Rabbit went there? Like that, it is thinking, and again it got an idea that otherwise inside the well might be a gold mine. Might be a gold mine. For that, it went to the went to take that mine. It is thinking and thinking like that. It is thinking. So this Brad Fox, it kept on thinking, what would happen if the money is not there, if the Brad Rabbit didn't went for took his money, but he went to take his gold mine. Like that, it is sitting near the bushes, and it is thinking like that. Let us say what happened after that. Is the fox thinking is right, or what would happen? Let us see and have a look what is there in that. Do you want to see what is there in the well? Is it money, or is it a gold mine? Do you want that? Yes. Now for that, you have to open your textbooks. Yes. Now open your textbooks. Shall we start reading? Yes. Now open your textbooks. Now open your textbooks. Page number 64, section 2. Brad Fox crept up a little near the well and listened. He did not hear any noise or cries from Brad Rabbit. He came close to the well and peeped down the well. So what happened? Already we discussed. So here this Brad Rabbit fell in the well, and this fox is listening like this, and it kept his ear there, and it is listening. Did he can hear any sounds or not, or if the Brad Rabbit is crying, what he is doing like that? He is listening. He is listening. He did not see anything, and he did not hear anything. So he can't able to see anything, and he didn't hear anything also. All this time, Brad Rabbit was sitting quietly, scared out of his skin. So this Brad Rabbit, he suddenly fell into this well. So it was very much in fear, and it kept very quietly because of the scare. He was afraid to move in. So he was feeling so. He was so scared, and it was the Brad Rabbit is afraid to move in case the bucket tilted over. It kept like that without moving, because if he know that if he moved like this or like this way or that way, immediately he fell into the water. So for that, he is not at all moving, and he is sitting very quietly in the bucket. Look at here. Tilted over. What is the meaning of tilted over? Turned over. Tilted over means turned over. He did not want to fall into the water because this Brer Rabbit he did not want to fall in the water. Then he heard Brer Fox shout out, "Hey, Brer Rabbit!" So what happened? He did not want to fall into the water. After some time, he heard Brer Fox shouting, "Hey, Brer Rabbit! Hey, Brer Rabbit!" like that. "Who you are visiting down there?" And he is asking, shouting like Brer Rabbit, and he is asking, "For whom you are visiting there down?" "Oh, I'm just fishing," Brer Fox. So it said, "So here I came for fishing," said Brer Rabbit. "I thought I did get you all some fresh fish for dinner." So it is saying that I came here for fishing for our dinner, for all of us, to bring some fresh fish. "Why don't you come and help me bringing up the fish?" said Brer Rabbit. So what happened? This Brer Fox asked Brer Rabbit, "For whom you're visiting there?" Why? That means he is asking for why you went there. And this rabbit, we already discussed in the first part that it is very likable, and it is having a habit of getting out of difficulties very easily. So this Brer Rabbit immediately, that means, so this after asking Brer Fox, immediately this rabbit, he said that I came for fishing for our dinner. So could you also come and help for me to bringing up the fishes? It is asking to the Brer Fox. "How will I get down there?" Brer Rabbit. So this fox, it is asking Brer Rabbit, "How should I have to come down there?" "Jump into the bucket, Brer Fox. It will bring you down safe and sound." So in the well, how many buckets are there? Yes, there are 2 buckets. No, on one bucket it jumped and it fell. This Brer Rabbit fell in the well. So there is 1 bucket. No, so it is saying that you jump into the bucket, immediately you will come down and you will be safe there. You will come down very safe. And it is saying, Brer Rabbit talked so sweetly and cheerfully that Brer Fox jumped into the bucket. So this fox, it had no brain, and after listening that rabbit's voice, it talked so sweetly and so cheerfully. That means in a very really it went for fishing like that. It is talking, isn't it? So it is talking, and this fox, it had no brain, and it is also thinking that it went for fishing. Children, tell me one thing, did anybody will go to well for fishing? This foolish fox, it had no brain, so it is thinking like that, and it jumped into the bucket. As he went down into the well, his weight pulled Brer Rabbit up, isn't it? So what will happen? If one bucket is empty and one bucket is full, automatically the full bucket will go down and the bucket will come up, isn't it? And if one bucket is so heavy, one bucket is heavy, automatically the another bucket will come up, no? So this Brer Rabbit, it played a trick on Brer Fox. When they passed on one another halfway up or down depending on how you look at it, Brer Rabbit sang out. So what will happen? Immediately after jumping on the bucket, this fox, it went down, and the second bucket, it will come up, isn't it or not? So immediately what will happen? It jumped into the bucket, and on the way it is coming. The Brer Rabbit came out of the well. So on the way, this Brer Rabbit is singing songs. Goodbye, Brad Fox, goodbye, Brad Fox. This is the way the world goes around. Some go up and some go down. You will get to the bottom all safe and sound. So this is this Brad Rabbit singing that. What is that? Goodbye, Brad Fox, goodbye. It never come. Did the Brad Fox able to come out? No. So this Brad Rabbit, it came out and it is singing goodbye, goodbye, Brad Fox. This is the way the world goes around. So the world is around like this only, isn't it? Nobody is honest. Nobody is helping each other. The world is like this only. Some go up and some go down. Yeah, one has to come down and one has to go down. You will get to the bottom all safe and sound. What is the meaning of here? Or safe and sound? Safe and sound. Unharmed and well. Unharmed and well. Of course, Brad Fox was rescued later. But that's another story. So this is taken from an folk tales. In the folk tales, there will be many stories. So this is a part of the story. Of course, in the story later the fox was rescued. So by this, what you understood, children? Yes, you have to be very cautious and you should be very smart. You should be very smart in doing your works, and you have to observe the things. You have to observe the people. All this, whenever you are going anywhere and whenever you are going to meet any new people, you have to keep an eye on them, and you have to act very smart. So how is our lesson, children? Isn't it interesting? Yes, you should always act smart. Yes. Now that's all for today's class. Read the textbooks. Read the textbook. Go through the lesson once. You will enjoy the lesson. Right, children? You will enjoy the lesson and complete your poem CW. Bye-bye, children. That's all for today's class.